of us are drawn to the city life, and the hustle and bustle energizes us. But many of us find fulfillment and joy in the beauty and solitude of nature. We do anything to connect with nature and to feel the never-ending, exhilarating attraction. We hike mountains just to see that next peak and traverse for the joy of a different view. The changing colors inspire us and are a birthplace for art. The sight of animals excites us and gives us an intimate glimpse into their lives, and being around them humbles us beyond words. And when we walk 1,000 paths, there is always a new one with something new to see. The land has as many faces and shapes as humans do. We crave to see the different views as much as we crave to eat different foods. It even rewires our brains. Our connection to the land brings us back to our sacred roots and ancient cultures. The shape of a cloud, the sight of a flower, the wind blowing through a branch will never be the same. The water connects everything, from the mountains to the vast land to animals and humans. Being near water is relaxing and uplifting. No matter how much we have seen, we keep going, we keep exploring, because without nature, our lives would never be the same.